Warm greetings to the jury. I am Rajrajeshwari Bose of class 12 and I go to St. Raphael's Higher Secondary School in Indore. I am going to reflect on the topic Importance of Emotional Health for a Happy Life. As a student of psychology, I take personal interest into matters relating to emotional health. Emotional well-being refers to taking control of your feelings, emotions, thoughts and behavior. Now, it doesn't mean that you are happy all the time. Rather, it refers to taking accountability of your actions and being able to judge them correctly. Emotional well-being plays a large role in having an efficient and successful life. It is also linked to an individual's self-esteem and maturity level. I believe that emotions are an integral part of human life. So, suppressing them or negatively expressing our emotions is not the solution to anything. We need to keep reminding ourselves constantly that even our mental health needs attention. So, if an individual feels that a problem or a situation is too much for them to handle, they must seek help immediately. This help can come in any form, such as talking to a trustworthy person like a counselor, or taking the help of therapy, or practicing a hobby. The thing is, expressing our emotions is a sign of strength because it takes a lot of courage to face the reality and find a plausible solution for the problem at hand. But I may be brutally honest and speak up that there are a lot of standard challenges to having a good emotional health. And the biggest one of them being that it is still considered taboo in our society. Now, emotional health requires sunshine, and I mean more unashamed conversations about the topic and about the illnesses that affect a large number of individuals and their families on a regular basis. But also, on the optimistic side, I feel that things are changing with time and as the society progresses further. Emotional health plays a very important role in having a successful and happy life. This point I cannot stress enough. Emotional or overall health of an individual is incomplete without having a good emotional health. I may conclude by quoting Susan Hine that healing is not about changing who you are. It's about mending your relationship with your inner self, and a fundamental part of it is honoring how you